Hello knife and EDC fans, Sully Reviews here, just to give a quick review of a new knife I got from Kizer. This is the Mini Bay, and it's the Lego inspired edition. I grabbed it in red, 14C28N blade steel. It's got a cool little Lego guy there. Nice pocket clip. Slip joint, holds pretty good, not stiff at all. Very fun little tiny knife. And what's cool about this knife is you can actually snap Legos onto it, which is just, I don't know, it's kind of cool. It's a fun little novelty knife, great for opening boxes, letters, whatever you need. Well, that's my quick review. Thanks.